Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
To make money on Facebook, start by creating and optimizing a dedicated business page. Engage your audience with high-quality content and interact with them regularly. Utilize Facebook Marketplace to sell products directly or promote them through your posts. Consider Facebook ads to reach a broader audience. Targeting specific demographics can increase effectiveness. Affiliate marketing through posts and influencer partnerships can also generate revenue. For content creators, Facebook's monetization tools, such as in-stream ads in videos, can provide another revenue stream. Consistency and understanding your audience's preferences are key to success.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.